In today's top cryptocurrency news, December 02, 2022, in the first new, Dems and representatives join forces to pressure SBF to testify before Congress. Your willingness to talk to the public will help the company's customers, investors, and others, said House Financial Services Committee Chair Maxine Waters, addressing SBF. In the second new, Ankr says no one should trade aBNBc, only LPs caught off guard will be compensated. The company stated it would be discontinuing aBNBc and aBNBb tokens, effective immediately, and that new Ankr BNB tokens will be minted and airdropped to affected aBNBc and aBNBb users. In the third new, price analysis 12.2, BTC, ETH, BNB, XRP, ADA, DOGE, MATIC, DOT, LTC, UNI, Bitcoin and altcoins are beginning to flash signals of a potential trend change, but a handful of downside risks remain. In the fourth new, 3AC bankruptcy process faces challenges amid unknown whereabouts of founders. The liquidators claim Zhusu and Kyle Davies are located in Indonesia and the Emirates, where foreign court orders are difficult to enforce. In the fifth new, crypto community weighs in on SBF's apology tour. The former FTX CEO is receiving major backlash for his New York Times Dealbook Summit and Good Morning America interviews. In the sixth new, legal team for 3AC liquidators blast founders for shifting blame to FTX, media blitz amid bankruptcy. In a bankruptcy court hearing, lawyers for 3AC creditors asserted the firm's founders repeatedly failed to engage with liquidators but weren't shy about talking to the media. In the seventh new, is Bitcoin the only crypto that will survive FTX? Interview with Bitcoin maximalist. Bitcoin proponent and author Jeff Booth is convinced that the crypto ecosystem will eventually collapse as a consequence of its centralization, except Bitcoin, that is. In the eighth new, how NFT court summons could change the legal landscape. Blockchain technology is making its way into the court system, with digital summons being served with NFTs. In the ninth new, Bitcoin bulls lie in wait as US dollar strength hits 5-month lows. BTC price performance gained some positive tailwinds, but Bitcoin faces a potential top for US stocks. In the 10th new, how smart contracts can improve efficiency in healthcare. From insurance to telehealth, smart contracts are finding use cases across the healthcare industry. In the 11th new, Animoca creates billion-dollar Metaverse fund for developers. The company's co-founder announced that the fund is still in the works but plans to provide billions to startups with a metaverse focus. In the 12th new, trader allegedly saw over 5,000x gains after Ankr protocol hack. Ankr announced that it will be reissuing aBNBc tokens, promising that it will assess the situation and compensate affected users. In the 13th new, ApeCoin risks 30% crash after APE staking debut in December. ApeCoin price has rallied 50% in the last 3 weeks, but a sell the news event risks wiping out those gains. In the 14th new, Thai VC fund acquires troubled exchange ZipMex for $100 million, report. ZipMex reportedly plans to use crypto assets received from the acquisition to unlock frozen customer accounts on the platform by April 2023. In the 15th new, Bitcoin miner outflow ratio hits 6-month high in new threat to BTC price. Bitcoin miners are upping sales, but BTC price metrics hint that a relief rally could be next. In the 16th new, Ukraine collabs with international consultants to update crypto framework. The Advisory Council on the Regulation of Virtual Assets held its first meeting, dedicated to adjusting the national tax code to the crypto market. In the 17th new Cardano algorithmic stablecoin evokes old fears for the community. I thought we already figured this out, algorithmic stablecoins, not the best option, community member wrote on Twitter. In the 18th new, crypto miners in Russia capitalize on the bear market by hoarding ASIC devices. Miners in Russia have likely been increasingly buying crypto ASICs due to reduced prices of mining devices as well as low-cost energy. In the 19th new, Firefox dev Mozilla goes all in on Metaverse, acquires Active Replica. The legacy web developer and internet browser Mozilla announced its acquisition of Active Replica as part of its Hub's creator ecosystem to enhance digital experiences. In the 20th new, Hong Kong working on investor protection regulations, says central bank exec. Hong Kong central bank executive looked optimistic about the future of decentralized tech, while the Korean central bank governor has his doubts in the wake of the recent crypto contagion. In the 21st new, Magic Eden follows OpenSea with NFT royalty enforcement tool. The open-source Open Creator Protocol of the NFT marketplace will enforce NFT creator royalties for new collections that opt into the tool. In the 22nd new, front-running scams rampant on YouTube with 500% surge in 2022, Certic. The scam lures victims to download fake front-running bot software that swipes their assets once they try to initiate a transaction. In the 23rd new, FTX was the fastest corporate failure in U.S. history, trustee calls for probe. The Department of Justice's U.S. trustee overseeing FTX's bankruptcy case has moved for the court to appoint an independent examiner. In the 24th new, Mike Novogratz, Bankman-Fried is delusional and headed to jail. The Galaxy Digital CEO alleges Sam Bankman-Fried and his cohorts perpetuated fraud and suggested they should be in jail. In the 25th new, Ankr confirms exploit, asks for immediate trading halt. The decentralized finance protocol said it is working with exchanges to immediately halt trading of its BNB staking rewards token, aBNBc. In the 26th new, this AI chatbot is either an exploiter's dream or their nightmare. The crypto community has come across an AI-powered chatbot that can be used to audit smart contracts and expose vulnerabilities. In the 27th new, Trader Joe takes its first step into the Ethereum ecosystem. Despite the new multi-chain vision, the Trader Joe team confirmed that its true home and top priority for all growth efforts will continue to be on Avalanche. In the 28th new, New York proposes to charge crypto companies for regulating them. The proposal is led by DFS Superintendent Adrienne Harris, who is looking for public feedback on the move as the regulator looks to gain further oversight controls. In the 29th new, FTX Japan drafts plan to return client funds. The Japanese subsidiary is one of 134 companies caught up in FTX's bankruptcy proceedings but has been drafting a plan to return client funds. Today's news ends here. Tomorrow there will be more news. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to stay up to date with cryptocurrency news. See you tomorrow.